Hey guys, welcome back. This is Tim from Tim's Electronics Lab, and today I've got a very special video. I bought a new 3D printer. Not sure if you're able to see it, but it's the Creality CR-10S. So let's get started. So in the box you've got the printer, of course, the glass plating. I think this is the print bed. So I'm not sure how to remove this. I guess like that. This is able to be, it just lifts out in one piece. Nice. Oh, that's cool. And what next? I think should be able to just pull it out of here. Oh yes. Oh, it's this is this is the y-axis. Oh, this is very solid. I like this. I really like this. This feels very solid. So, onto the rest of the printer. Let's open this first. Big box. With all the tools and then the tie wraps to mount and install the printer. Cool. Oh, all wiring. Look at this. Just beautifully packaged. That's really cool. Better than my Init. With well, that was what I was expecting, to be really honest, for this kind of price tag. So let's check how to remove this one. Remove all the loose things. I suppose we just pull this one out too. And then we've got an empty box. Okay, so nice. This yeah. So this is the range of the printer. Really nice. It's nice and solid. SD card, USB, power supply. Oh yeah, this is good. This is really good. I like this. Okay, and now the rest of the printer should come right out of here, I guess. Oh, this was easy. That is the printer. That's literally it. So they secured oh, there's grease on there. So they secured the axis with cushions. Yeah. So let's first put this back so we can have a look inside this box. What on earth is this? Oh, this is for the to put in here. Yeah, you need to put that in there. Oh, this is the filament sensor, I'm guessing. Nice. Tube for the filament, also very nice. Power cord. Yeah. A thing. A pipe or something, I guess. Not sure. Guess we will find out. Filament detection default standard. So I guess this is some kind of manual. Filament detection. Yeah. There you go. It's the same thing as shown here. So shortboard. Ooh, this is nice. I was about to go to the shop to buy one of these, but I don't need to anymore. Bracket. Oh, I think I know what this is for. This is for the filament. I think this goes in here. Yeah, there you go. And you screw it on, and you can place your filament on top of that. That's a really cool feature, actually. Because now I don't have to worry about where the filament roll goes. Because sometimes that's a big mess. Because the space where the printer is not that big. So filament positioning is kind of a thing sometimes. And the little stick that you need to insert into the extruder when it gets stuck. Alright, so these are, well, this is an end switch. Is this an end switch too? No, I think this is the mounting plate for the other side of the end switch. Some nice heavy screws. Good. Ah, and they included some filament too. Oh, this is, I think, how much is this? 500 grams? It's good, 500 grams. And it's vacuum sealed, nice. So this is nice. With the end they included the filament too, but that was like nothing, actually. Top quality. Okay, so that's read the installation instructions. Are there step-by-step instructions? Yes, they are. General list. Okay. So I suppose we're just going to, oh, let me get my knife. Remove this plastic. Because we don't really need that there. Oh, I missed. That was a bit of a fill. Now this needs to be tightened, but okay, that's no problem. That's no problem. Okay. So they tell me to get the big bolts. Are the bolts? No, the bolts are not in there. Tell me to get the 2 and 5 X25 bolts, which are in this bag, and I need a Allen key for that too. So, 1, 2, 3. There you go. The Allen key, of course, is in the tools zip locking bag. Put the rest back before we lose it. Cool. So nice bags with all the tools. Now I could use my own tools, but I'm lazy today and I don't want to stand up and look for them. So grab the correct size. I think that's this one. No, that's the biggest one. Yeah, this one. Cool. Alright, so there are 4 holes in total, 2 here and 2 here, and they line up with the holes at the bottom of this part of the printer. Now I'm not sure because there are lots of tie wraps flapping around, so I probably need to remove that before I can actually insert the screws, because they're covering the screw holes. So Yeah, it's tie wrap, so let's remove it. That's one. I knew I was going to cut myself with the printer because it's metal, and with the plastic one I did too. But I wasn't expecting it to happen in like the first 10 minutes of building this printer. So yeah. That sucks. Oh, I'm okay, I guess. So, removed the tie wraps. Now, let me check. I need to install like this. And I need to install it in the middle. So, over here. This is really close to the glass bed, but okay. So I need to insert a screw. I'm not sure how I would do this. I think like this. So where are the screw holes? Here. I'm guessing that the screw hole is right around here somewhere. I need to be, yeah, there you go. I need to be careful not to scratch the glass, because that will make my day very bad. Now I pushed, oh there you go. Pushed the screw inside it, but I almost lost it. Is that inside the, yeah, it is inside. Let me grab another screw and insert that too. Yeah, that's going in. That's nice. So I think this is the trickiest part of the build, attaching the this axis. Now, put it back on its feet, flip it around to do the other side without wobbling too much, hopefully. And there you go. I must say this is relatively easy. Now, I'm not sure where the fourth screw is. Oh, there. I was saying I can't see it, but it's over here. Right. I need to tighten them because the thing is not yet secured. At all. It's wobbly like hell. That's okay, that's what we're here for. There you go. There are lots of terms, and I'm not sure if it's helping. Yeah, it is helping, but they're very long screws. Oh, yeah, there you go. I thought I reached the end of the screw thread. It's getting, oh yeah, there you go, it's getting tighter now. But it's not staying tight. I'm able to, I don't think, no, I've used the wrong hole. There goes the other screw. I think this is the... Ooh, I thought it was going to flip around. Alright, so there. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's better. That's way better. Okay, so that's one. Now I can't lift it up from the frame because the frame is not strong enough yet. So, where are the holes? They're in there. So, I guess this should work. Is it in? No, it isn't. It doesn't want to go in. Oh, like that, right? I think that it is in right now. No. I'm not happy with how it feels to screw it in. Let me check. Screw. Let me use the other screw hole. I think the other one is too tight for the frame to move. I need to tighten them afterwards, I'm guessing. Yeah, that's better. I think it's wobbly, but that's okay for now because we're mounting it. So again, insert the screw, reposition it a bit. I think we've got it. Yep. There you go. No flipping around. And the other screw. There are very tight fits for the screw. But it's going. So this side is almost done actually. Yeah, there you go. That's in. Now the fourth screw. And insert it into the burn hole. Oh yeah, that goes much easier. Nice. That's how it's supposed to go. And screw in the other one as well. So, make sure to tighten them. There's one. Ooh. That's two. That's three. And that's four. Cool. So that's one. Now the let me check. These are used to connect to here. So you need to connect this one at this side. So let's actually do that. I'm not entirely sure. I will okay. I guess like that. Well, this isn't going to fit. We need a smaller one for that. This one. Yeah, this one will fit. But I'm not sure how they're going to have their strength. Well, looks like they do. You just screw them in. Yeah, this is secure. That's really secure. But how? I'm not sure. I guess there's... Oh, I think that's maybe because of there are screw holes in there. So maybe the screws are just long enough to actually go in there. So I'm guessing that's yeah. So other side. Place it completely. like that. So that's the end stop. Cool. End stop. Now we're immediately swapping to how to install the spool holder. So I guess that's what we will be doing too. Like that, and for that I need to do this, for that, to install the spool holder you need these screws, and I'm not sure where the washers are going. Oh, I think I did it completely wrong with the T ends. So I'm going to redo them in a second. Oh, there are no washers for here. I guess, yeah. I'm just going to install them. The manual says you need to rotate the nut basically. This is so. Okay. I'm going to check them again now. Missing one of those big screws. I'm sure it will pop back up later, but I'm not missing the washer. So, yeah, just checking how. Removing all the screws again, just to verify that the profiles are good. Now I'm wondering, how would you actually insert them in such a way that they are rotated? Can you remove the... No, you can't remove the end of the rail. That's interesting thing. It doesn't go automatically. It goes a little bit, but not 90 degrees. I don't think that's even possible. My hands are all slippery because of the grease that's on one of the axes. mind. I think they're okay. It's not falling off, so that's good. Oh. Now we're pressing on the one screw that's there. Okay. Insert it into the frame. Like that. And turn it. So now it's fine, I guess. And I need to insert the tube into the Teflon connector, but is that one moving up and yeah, that is moving up and down. The glass back, if it can move freely now. No, it can't move freely. Let me remove the glass for a second. Yeah, it's clear now. Okay, cool. So we need to insert that into here, like that, I guess. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to go. And this is really not really straight, but nevertheless, alright, so nice. Now where is the filament sensor going? I haven't actually, yeah, I saw it on this one. Oh, it's supposed to just slide onto there. Oh. Okay, well, I guess so. Let me cut away the tie wraps here too, so I can remove the cushioning material. Like that. Nice. Okay. Yeah, it just slides. It just slides on there. Just slides like that. So okay, that's how you install the filament sensor. A quick installation. Now before I run all the decoration items, I'm going to connect everything. So the massive pin connector goes to here, to the top one. Insert that, tighten it. Oh, the whole connector is rotating, so okay. Now insert the bottom one. Now I'm wondering when this moves. Now you can't really place the control board elsewhere because they're. Oh, I've done it the wrong way around. Let me try to rotate it back there. Nah, not working. Alright, so, okay. Now, is this labeled? Yes, it is. But I'm not really sure how, where, and when. So the filament detector. What's the board that's on the filament detector wire is just a wire that yeah, when you don't have the filament detector, it just connects the sensor wire to the state that it needs to be in order to detect filaments. So X. This is the motor connection, the 6-pin connector. And this is the X motor. Oh, connector oriented. Let me take a look. Like that. Alright. And the X and stop is here. And where's the connector? Oh, it's over underneath. Okay. I guess. How am I going to insert that? I think I need to remove it again, because I can't connect the hand stop. So that's supposed to be this one, right? Yeah, that is. Connect it. Oh, nice. So now that's connected. Am I able to? No, I'm not going to run the wire behind it. So connect. Mounting plate once again to the frame, and this one. So that is connected. And the E for the extruder motor. Like that. Okay, great. Now this is the Y-axis, so at the back, and there's an end stop here too, of course. Connect it and connect the motor connection. Like that. Still a couple of wires left. 3 to be precise. That's for the other Z motor. So this is the longest one. Goes to this side. And this is for the Z. Oh wait, I misconnected one. The thing I just removed, and the T bracket was for the Z and not the X. Oh, that's stupid. Now I need to remove them again. Let's check. So where's the T end stop then? Oh, the wire just went between them. I'm not liking that very much. Well, let's see if I can insert it into there without removing it. Tongue at the right angle. And just try to push it up. There you go. I think that's connected. Great. Now the motor connection. Okay. So now where is the... Oh, it's here. It's in here. Around. Like that. Cool. Cool. Why is this sliding so much? Oh. So that's my 3D printer wired up actually. So that's great. Actually, I'm missing one cable, and that is this one. Filament detection. Unplug the board and plug the cable into the filament detection device, so that it can detect filament. And now I'm going to use some time wrapping in order to make sure that everything stays nice and bundled. So I guess I bundle this, everything that goes to the X-axis. And I bundle this here too. Just checking if there's any way I can attach the wire to. I guess I'll probably do it like this. Alright, that's okay. And just pull this one. That's okay too. Alright, so everything is connected. What's these spare parts for? Oh, they've included a couple of spare parts. Okay, so that is connected. So everything should be connected actually. And the input is set to 230 volts. That's a rather big thing to check, because if it isn't set correctly, it might blow the shit out of your controller. That's not what you want when you're powering it up for the first time. So let's power it up for the first time. Ooh. Fortunately, it is a fused connector. And an extension cord, I think. Yeah. Let me get an extension cord. Is there? No, there isn't any. There. So the thing is off, and the mains wiring is inserted. So it turns on. Creality 3D. Yeah, it's cool. It's is that the? Oh, that's the fan inside there. That's wiring. All right, so that's almost the Anet A6 Skynet interface. So I just saw a auto level future. Alright, so I guess let's set up the printer. Oh, nice blue LEDs inside here. Let's prepare it. I like the knob actually that you need to prepare, preheat, oh, so it's already preheating. So You can hear the fans winding up in the background. Let me check. I'm not sure if I'll be using my glass plate or not. I think I will, but let me first auto home it. Oh, I need to tighten this, because this is really untightened. Oh. Can I tighten it over there? Don't think so. It's smelly. It stinks a bit actually. So I'm hoping that there's no plastic wrap around it or something that I needed to remove before heating up the printer. So I think that's better. Let's move an access. 1 mil wide. So it's okay, but it's not even or something. The belt goes to one position of the helping wheel. If you know what I mean, probably you don't. I'm not too happy about that, and I'm not sure how to actually correct it. So let's just lock this into place. There we go. And auto home it again. Repair. Auto home. Because everything has changed now. Okay. Name. So I'm going to move the Z-axis up. So that I can install the glass plate. I must say this is a really cool printer. I'm already starting to like it, which is good of course. Oh, that's a thing. Ah, no, I didn't do it wrong. There you go. I need to somehow route this correctly. So yeah, glass plates. What's this? Piece of paper. I'm not sure what this is. They don't list glass. No, it's not even in the list of components. So cool, nice, well done. But I guess it's a matter of removing the plastic. And moving the heat bed to the front, of course. So that's the y-axis. Nice. And placing it on top of the heat bed, but removing the other side first. Okay, nice. Now that's where these things come in. Place them over your never mind. Just go like that. Like that. We need to check the clearance, however, because that's not going to work. What's the plastic over there? Well, I guess that's supposed to be there. So, place it over here. Like that. And now I think that twisting the knob to the left will put it down. But I'm going to check. Oh yeah, that's up. It's shown on the wheel itself. That's a nice feature. I was messing with the A6 because you know you were turning and turning and turning, but you didn't really see what was happening. So let's turn it all the way down. And let's move the y-axis back. Oh, it does it by 40. Whoa. Right. No auto homing. And let's move the z-axis down. Very slowly. Actually, let's also move the y-axis a bit to the like that, and the x-axis to the right, like that. Now the z-axis down. Now let's switch to move access. This one more accurate. Let's grab a piece of paper. The piece that I'm always using to calibrate the heat bed. Move access. Move set. Oh, it needs to go down a little bit more. So there's yeah, that's the end switch. That's good. Yeah, we've reached the end switch. And now just slowly turn it back up until you feel a little bit of resistance from the nozzle. Which I'm not yet feeling. I need to lay down for this. I think I'm starting to feel something. Yeah. Alright, so that's one. Oop, that's one side. Prepare. Move access. Move it up the Z. And move the X all the way to the right. That. Nice. Then put the paper back underneath it and move the Z. Well, that needs to go down by a lot. Oh, that's very close. Actually, yeah, this is good too now. Now the other. There you go. It's all the way down now too. And move the Z-axis. So that's tuned up, which is okay, because that's why we're here for. This is up. Check to set this at 0. Is it starting? Yeah, it's a little bit. Too tight. Yeah, I think this is good. Now, let's actually move it back up again. And do the final adjustment. Like that. Okay. Let's move this down. So this is too low, which is fine. So, okay. So that's auto home. Which is okay. Move axis. Let's put it up by 1 and check if it still is if it's still calibrated. Oh, that's way too much. There you go.
I'm not sure if it's touching it or not.
Because this is in my way. Yeah, that's okay. And a little bit down. And a little bit up. Yeah. Okay. X. Oh, this will take forever. Let's just do it with big steps. Okay. Oh, see, this one isn't really. Calibrated. Like that. Okay. Oh, that's a little bit too tight. Let's move this one down a little bit. Yeah, that's okay. It's a little bit too low. Now it isn't. Okay, so that's cool. Prepare. Auto home. That's so now it's time to configure software. Now, you've got the SD card inserted to the side of the control unit. The other way around, so with the contacts up, press init SD card. It's initialized. Yeah, we need to insert the filament, of course. Otherwise, printing is going to be a massive problem. Ah, there you go. So, unwrap the filament. Then place it in the filament holder. And guide it through the filament detector. Inside the hole. Like that. So now I'm going to move the print head a little bit up. That's the Z. And you want to wait before the thing stops moving. which takes some time. There you go, and push the filament through. Yeah, it takes some force. But that's because the thing is bent, of course. I'm wondering how the printer itself will cope with this, because it's actually bent quite a lot. But it's almost there. It's getting really heavy now. So let's use the printer itself to move the extruder. Yeah, it is moving, so that's good. But it does have some troubles, it seems. But that's okay. Let's grab a pair of tweezers so we can remove the material that was inside here. Let's move the extruder until the filament has entered the extruder itself, which it hasn't yet. So it's slowly getting there, but yeah, you know, takes some time. It's almost there. It's about here right now. So it's still moving. Still moving. Still moving, so it should enter the nozzle in about a few moments. It has stopped. So we're going to move it again. Because we don't see any white filament plastic yet. So I think it should start coming out right now. Maybe we need to heat it up a little bit more. Prepare. Control. No. Control. Temperature. Nozzle. 200. Oh, 199. It heats up really quick, actually. That's great. let's just move the nozzle again, the extruder, extruder, more and more black stuff's coming out. Yeah, there you go, there you go. It's starting to come out. Yeah, there you go. Trying to keep the nozzle clean, which is a big challenge now. And it's starting to get white. Prepare, move axis. So they tested the printer with black filament, I guess, because there's black filament all over the thing. So, alright, that's cool. Now let's just heat the bed up to temperature to 60 degrees. Oh, 70 auto, which is fine. Let's just heat the bed up again. I can only tune it. Oh, bed. 60 nozzle. 2, 3, fine. Like that. Okay. So now let's just start to print the screw. Now I need to fix the cabling a bit more because it's a bit of a mess, but yeah, I'll do that once the printer is finished printing its first thing, because then I know it's okay and then I know I can fully assemble it. So let's just wait for the thing to heat up. Now it's about to print a screw that I don't know what it is for, so that's going to get interesting. It's at 45 degrees. This thing is able to move freely. Great. Yeah, it's starting to heat up. It's a bit of a mess around the nozzle, but I can't move it right now. Where's my tweezer? Oh. I always lose my tweezer when I'm working on my 3D printer. Oh, there you go. Okay.
It's a bit of a plastic mess here.
That's not what I wanted, but hey, shit happens. So, 53 degrees, almost ready to print. The first piece. This is going to get interesting. Maybe if I put the piece of paper underneath it, will clean up a bit. No, it won't allow me to put it underneath there. Only a bit. No. Alright, it's at 59 degrees, so almost ready to print. 60, heating. Dropping the temperature of the nozzle back to 200. I had it at 2-3. So that's done. Cool. Remove the plate. Alright. Yeah. That's the screw. Now I think it's trying to eject filament, but it's not sticking. No, it's not sticking to the glass bed. So move axis up. And I'm wondering if oh wait, we've got a tool for that. I'm wondering if there isn't too much strength on the filament guiding thing. Let's clean the nozzle. White gunk everywhere. So let me just grab a piece of tape and place it on top of the glass. Where it should be going to print. So it's not very flat. You need to do a better job. Come on. I did a really bad job applying the tape. As you are able to see, but hey, but let's auto home it. Prepare, auto home. Remove the gunk. Retract the filament a bit. Hopefully. Alright, so let's start to print again. It's heating, which is okay. I think, let me adjust the camera. No, like that. Now it's hard to see, but it's not printing yet. So I retracted the filament, of course. So there you go. It started to do something. And I really can't see if it's printing something because of the white filament on the kind of light tape. Oh yeah, that's printing, that's printing. That's amazing, I think. It's really quick, man. Yeah, that's printing. That's printing how a printer should print. I turned on the fan. Oh, this thing is rocking, man. This thing is really rocking. So, I guess this wraps it up. I'll be back when the printer finished, so keep an eye on that. So, I'm back. The printer has just finished printing. So, let's see if I can, yeah, it moves freely. It printed for 2 hours and 20 minutes, and I can see that my camera is not really pointing at the printer. So it printed for 2 hours and 20 minutes. So yeah, let's just take it off actually. Hopefully without breaking anything. So yeah, the tape bubbled up and oh, it's gone out of bubbling. So oh, this first print looks very clean. This is next level printing. If you compare this to my ANET A6, this is, yeah, the A6 is nothing. It feels really solid. You know, I'm putting lots of force on it right now, and it doesn't give a single crack or something. This feels really nice. So I would recommend this printer to basically anyone. Do not buy the cheaper printers anymore, because yeah, this is way better. So I hope you like this kind of video. Please share it and let me know what you think of the video, because maybe I'm going to do some more of these videos in the future. So thanks again for watching, and hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like. Make sure to leave a comment down below. You can also share this video with your friends if you think they will like it too. See you next time.